Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, if the square of the 7th term of an arithmetic progression with positive common difference equals the product of the 3rd and 17th terms, then the ratio of the first term to the common difference is. So let the first term be a and the common difference be d. Then the third term is equal to a plus 2d and the 17th term is equal to a plus 16d. Now, according to the question, a plus 6d squared is equal to a plus 2d into a plus 16d. So from here we get a squared plus 12ad plus 36d squared is equal to a squared plus 18ad plus 32d squared. From this we get 4d squared is equal to 6ad. So a by d is equal to 2 by 3. It is option A. The next question is, in how many ways can 7 identical erasers be distributed among 4 kids in such a way that each kid gets at least 1 eraser but nobody gets more than 3 erasers? So after giving 1 eraser to each of the 4 kids, there are 3 left. So these 3 can be split in 2 or 1 or 1 1 1 ways. So the total number of ways is 4p2 plus 4c3, that is 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 ways. So option A.